your fans would love to know something more about a journey. If you can give a brief journey, how you started, how you claimed fame, and now what you are. What are your dreams? Please share with your fans.
I started my singing when I was really young. I was 4 years old. My sister Sonu Kakkar, she was already singing, and she used to sing in Mata Ki Chowkis, Bhajan Sandhya, Jagrans and all. And the moment I started speaking, I started singing. Because singing is such a beautiful thing, and yes, my sister is the one who inspired me to sing. So I would definitely give all my credit for singing to her, to my sister Sonu Kakkar. Then we started singing, we shifted to Delhi. Delhi we did a lot of Bhajan Sandhyas, Mata Ki Chowki, Jagrans. When I turned 16, I participated in Indian Idol. Indian Idol it was an amazing experience. All the contestants, they were really warm. Me being youngest, उसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार मिलता था. Indian Idol में contestants और judges सब जगह से, they were all really sweet with me. And then it all started. Bollywood में मेरी entry हुई. मैंने I started singing in Bollywood. पहला गाना जो मुझे break जो मिला actually वो मीराबाई Not Out movie आई. The song was called Hi Rama. Yeah, so my first break I got with Sukhvinder Singh ji, and the music director was Mr. Sandesh Chandrilia. So that's how it all started. Then I sang, me and my sister Sonu Kakkar, both of us sang together for Rahman Sahab, which was like a dream coming true, you know. Like all we singers, we love to sing for Rahman Sahab, and me and Didi, we got a chance to sing for him. It was an amazing experience. The song was Blue, the title song of Blue. Then I sang, there was a TV show which was called Na Ana Is Desh Lado. Uska title song I sang and people just loved it. It was a beautiful song. Then I did Comedy Circus. I was paired with Kapil Sharma and Ali Asgar. Both of them are just fantastic. So I was really lucky to get paired with them. Then I also did Jo Jeeta Wohi Superstar for Star Plus. All the famous reality show singers were there. Again, superb experience. Then my actual Bollywood super hit songs, I started getting those songs. So my first super hit song was Second Hand Jawani from Cocktail. So I should definitely thank Pritam Da for that. बहुत मज़ा आया while recording this song. I had a lot of time. Then I sang for Sachin Jigar. The song was Jadoo Ki Jhappi from Ramaiya Vastavaiya. Again, super hit. Then I sang again for Pritam Da. The song was Dhating Nach from Pata Poster Nikla Hero. Whenever I used to go Garba mein ya Ganpati Visarjan, it was all, people were dancing and loving the song. Then this one came, Sunny Sunny with Yo-Yo Honey Singh, which changed my life completely. I see people enjoying this song to the core, car mein, malls mein, at the places dancing. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube and a lot of other websites, and people just love Sunny Sunny. And whenever I perform on stage, I feel so happy. They just want me to sing more than once. मैं at least एक show पर ये गाना 3 बार I have to sing, because so one more time I keep on hearing in all the performances I do. So yeah, overall it has been a superb journey. I should definitely thank God, my parents, for always being there with me. God is always there with me. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that I am God's favorite child, and I feel really happy.
How do you riyaz, if you can tell, like what's your entire riyaz pattern? How much of effort you put into to get this beautiful voice? If someone wants to become a singer, so if you can put, like, a lot of young people will watch this.
So people out there who want to become a singer in life or a musician or anything, I just want to tell you, I'm no one to tell actually. I'm too small, but then still it's just a suggestion what I have experienced in life. I think you have to be very passionate about it, and whatever you're doing, just do that thing only. If you want to become a singer, just concentrate on singing. So for me, I haven't learned music at all, but I have been hearing all kinds of music you know, whether it's jazz or Bollywood or classical or Sufi. I love to explore more. That made me a versatile singer. So I think for all the people who want to become singer, keep on listening a lot of good music. I think that will make you a good singer. That's what I have always done in my life. I haven't learned music, but good music made me a good singer.
Initially during your career, did you face any hurdles or challenges to become what you are today?
Well, of course, like I did face a lot of challenges in life. क्योंकि कहते हैं कि you know, अगर आप ये सब struggle life में face ना करो तो success का उतना मज़ा नहीं आता है. So of course I faced, but eventually सब कुछ अच्छा हुआ और अच्छा हो रहा है. And this is not it. I'm gonna do a lot more in life. This is just a first step that I've taken. I'm gonna go very big, and yes, I'm just looking forward to it.
And your sister is also a singer, so any competition between you guys?
Me and Sonu Didi, I think Sonu Didi, because she has been my inspiration, वो मुझसे काफ़ी बड़ी नहीं, but then she is elder to me, so I think competition never comes between us. She takes me like her, you know, baby sister, and I take her like my badi behna. So then no competition comes in between, and we actually mean it. If you ask her, she'll tell you the same thing. If you ask me, I'm going to tell you the same thing. There is no competition between us, not at all, and we love each other, and we actually support each other for anything she does in her Bollywood career. I want her, in fact, I want her to be bigger than me in life. That's what I always hope and wish for her. So this looks like wave and it's blue, so आज blue है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach या फोटो मेरी खींच फूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी जो तूने ये बात न मानी ओहो 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 ओहो. Okay, so there are two beautiful hearts over here, and heart से मुझे एक बहुत beautiful song याद आता है, which is a love song and one of my most favorite songs ever. So yeah. पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूँ मैं क्या अपना हार ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता. Okay, as you see, I have become like an angel, and the song जो मुझे याद आता है that is परी हूँ मैं, और I don't know the song much, so still I'll try to sing a little bit. छूना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना परी हूँ मैं मुझे न छूना परी हूँ मैं. Viewers जो ये लोग देख रहे हैं, I would just like to thank each one of you for always supporting me, always being there, always loving me. Thank you so much. And yes, I would like to thank Telly Chakkar for the lovely interview.